Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. Yes. All right. Didn't do a video yesterday. I've been having some bad mental health days. I'm being honest. Some bad mental health days. So I didn't do what I was supposed to do. Yeah. Last night, I did actually what was scheduled, and that was Red Baron Pizza. Robin had to work at an event until about 7, big event, and we had scheduled to do Red Baron Pizza. It's our favorite frozen pizza, and we haven't had Red Baron Pizza, wow, a long time. So it was nice to take a break from cooking and do something like that. Yeah. So today I'm actually doing what is scheduled, what is on the schedule, and that is fish tacos with slaw. This is one of my favorites. I've done this before. I've done it a couple times now. And yeah, let's get to it. Got the hardware? Super simple. We're going to start with the tilapia fillets. I like to use tilapia for fish tacos. The marinade for the fish is olive oil. I'm using New Mexico chili powder, Oboro, I don't know how to say it, chili powder, Mexican paprika, some cumin, and the dried cilantro is in place. I need to pick up some fresh cilantro. The cilantro I had in the glass, it died. Yeah, and there'll be some lime juice. Hate me as you will. We're using flour, baby tortillas. Yes, Robin and I don't like corn. Sour cream for garnish, avocado for garnish, and then the slaw. I love this slaw. Purple or red cabbage, some jalapeno, corn, honey, more lime juice, and mayonnaise. So that's what's going on this Friday. I will be doing the patty melts tomorrow because I typically leave Saturdays open for a day off for me. Well, since I took my day off Wednesday, so that I will be posting up later the scheduled menu for next week. We just finalized it. I'm doing 2 soups next week. 2. Yes. And I'm doing 7 days next week. And I threw in a baking item. That's right. Because one of my... I'm watching my cat outside. My Kiko. There's an interloper in the yard. So, on this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day. Eat great food, and have fun cooking.